It's this season's trip to the beach with Oceanista. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's with my mom and Bandit's in the bedroom, but Kinsey's making her way out here to keep me company. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Oceanista is a quarterly kind of beach-inspired lifestyle subscription box, and this would be the summer box that I just got. The theme this season is Islands in the Sun, and here is your sneak peek. Now this time around there were quite a few choice items. The first is the Lotus and Luna, and I believe this is a necklace, yes. And you had your choice between white, gold, or silver. So I went with silver, and this is meant to be a choker, and I can't get it out of there very easily. There's a lot of tape involved, and it's evening, so the mosquitoes are out in full force. That is a $34 value. Next, by Jasmine Beauty, is a highlighter. This is the Coasting highlighter, or Coastin. There's no G on the end. Highlighter. There we go. From Able Skincare is the 2-in-1 Glycolic and Blue Light Exfoliating and Illuminating Duo Moisturizer. This is a $76 value, and it has turmeric, AHA, and titanium dioxide. And turmeric helps brighten dark circles and reduces inflammation. AHA aims to penetrate deep into skin, boosting its firmness while smoothing signs of aging and brightening complexion. And titanium dioxide contributes to protecting the skin against free radicals and environmental stressors, whilst helping fine lines and wrinkles. Next, I got these flip-flops by Harimari, and this was a choice item, and I got these for my daughter. I had gotten these in a previous box. I think it was this box, although it could have been Beachly. I'm not really sure, but this is a size 9-10. So she grew out of the other ones and gave them back to me, and I don't really wear flip-flops, so I thought she would like those. From Just Jans is, looking because I can't find any of this stuff in here. The flip-flops were a choice item. I wonder if I chose that over something else. I'm not sure. These are fig fruit spreads, and we have tangerine marmalade. Maybe they're not all fig. This one is a fig. Concord grape, and some honey. By Ciralea is an on-the-go trendsetter. It's like a kimono. It is a kimono, I guess. So here is how this looks. It's very long. And we have this pillow cover. I don't think I have a pillow this size, so I may have to go out and get something this size or order something from Amazon. This is super cute though. Love that. That is by Anaya, and you had your choice of these two. So you could get the palm trees or the sun and the ocean. And that's a $29 value. So I think this is their last box. It says, "Dear Oceanistas, our last lifestyle subscription box is here, and we're excited about all the customizations and options we were able to feature in this summer's box. We hope you love it. We want to thank each and every one of you for all your support during these uncertain times. We're going to take a step back from subscription boxes at this time to focus on our hand-poured candles and scents. Our beach boutique will remain open. In addition, a smaller subscription box is something I've been striving to create since the economy took a downturn. I haven't been able to do that due to the extensive time it takes to customize a larger subscription box. Look out for our newsletters and email updates. We know there are other small businesses out there that you can support. We appreciate you, your patience, and supporting us over the past 4 years. Please take care of yourself, and know I'm thinking of each and every one of you. Now let's get our butts to the beach and enjoy the rest of the summer. So that's kind of sad because I do love this box. And I don't know, neither the figs nor the sandals were in there, but I am thinking, because they did have a palm visor in 3 choices, and I didn't get that. That was a $36 value. I wonder if I chose the flip-flops over this, because I don't really have use for that. I don't really wear those. And the figs, I have no idea. I guess that's maybe just an extra. The flip-flops are a $40 value. It is on here. So that definitely was a choice instead of the visor, because it does have all my customizations on here. I don't know about the jams. I guess those are just a little extra. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.